Welcome to family members, children, and relatives. Today we learn important English words for your sons, daughters, nephews, nieces, and grandchildren. These words help you talk about your family in English. Son means a male child. If you have a boy child, he is your son. The pronunciation is son. A son is your boy from birth until he grows up. Daughter means a female child. If you have a girl child, she is your daughter. The pronunciation is daughter. A daughter is your girl from birth until she grows up. Nephew means your brother or sister's son. If your brother has a boy, that boy is your nephew. The pronunciation is nephew. Nephews are the boys in your extended family. Niece means your brother or sister's daughter. If your sister has a girl, that girl is your niece. The pronunciation is niece. Nieces are the girls in your extended family. Grandchildren means the children of your children. Your son's children or daughter's children are your grandchildren. The pronunciation is grandchildren. Grandchildren are your second-generation family. Son and daughter are your male and female children. They live with you when young and grow into adults. These are your direct children, the closest family members after parents. Nephew and niece are your siblings' son and daughter. Your brother or sister's children become your nephew or niece. They connect you to the next generation through brothers and sisters.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.